Locomotive today, and the General said Houston built in 1901 by the Dixon Works of American Locomotive Company. It's 120 years old, built to operate on the sugarcane plantation down in Louisiana. It operated there hauling sugarcane from 1901 until 1948. In 1948, they retired and put it in storage. Six Flags acquired it in 1961, rebuilt it. It's been operating here in the park ever since. So sit back and enjoy your ride around the park and enjoy your day with Six Flags over Texas. Up on the right, you can see the Pandemonium. Roller coaster spins you round and round as you go through the course. I've never ridden that one because I get dizzy. And we're coming in the construction area for the Aquaman Powerway. Construction had been shut down for over a year. They are working again. It's supposed to be ready by this coming summer. They tell me if you like to get wet, this is going to be your favorite ride. Look up high on the right and get a good view of the Oil Derrick Observation Tower, the Superman Tower Power. At night, the observation tower is still lit up like a giant Christmas tree. Going extra low because the wheels are slipping. It don't take just a little bit of rain. The engine really has to fight to get up the hill. And the daughter was jumping off the train to go put down some sand to get us some traffic. To your left and up the hill to the right. Bugs Bunny Boomtown area of the park. If you have little ones, this is the area of the park to bring them. We got lots of rides just for little kids. We got playground area. We got lots of benches for the grown-ups to sit back and relax for the kids wear themselves out.
Hear the train a-coming, just rolling around the bend.
And we're going through the tunnel. You might not have known it, but you walk across the top of us when you enter the park. We're going to the main entrance now. And as we exit the tunnel, we climb up the hill of the Hobo Junction. This little engine's going to be working hard to get us to the top of the hill, but when we get up there, you'll see my buddy Zeke on the right-hand side taking his monthly shower. Everybody waves as we go by. It's not bashful. fact, they didn't know if it would work, so they actually built the scale model out in the parking lot. The model worked, so they came in to build the real thing. In the mid-1960s, the lines were up to 3 hours long to ride the log flume, so they added flume 2 in 1968. Of course, they're both shut down for the season. They should be up and running by spring break. And we're coming into the Johnson Creek Station. You're welcome to stay on board for a trip back to the Boomtown Depot, or you can exit the train here. Either way, wait till we come to a complete stop. You get a short whistle from the engineer, means the brakes are set and safe to get up and get off. So just a little further. Good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard the Six Flags and Texas Railroad. Please remain seated while the train's in motion. Keep arms, legs, and feet inside the car at all times. For your safety and the safety of others, no smoking or vaping on the train. Our locomotive today, named the General Sam Houston, built in 1901 by the Dixon Works of the American Locomotive Company. It's 120 years old. It was built to operate on the sugarcane plantation down in Louisiana. It operated their hauling sugarcane from 1901 until 1948. In 1948, they retired and put it in storage. Six Flags acquired it in 1961, rebuilt it. It's been operating here in the park ever since. Sit back, enjoy your ride around the park, and enjoy your day. Six Flags over Texas. Down on your right, the Chaparral Antique Cars, built by the Cleveland Motor Company down in Cleveland, Texas. So the kids can drive you around while you ride at the back for a change. High up on the right, through the trees, you see the World Derrick Observation Tower, 300 feet tall. At night, it's lit up like a giant Christmas tree.
Figure out what show you want to go to? No show?
The first double loop roller coaster, 116 foot tall lift, pulls 5.9 G's as you go through the double loops. Down on the left, go-karts where you test out your NASCAR driving skills. Over on the right, the Texas Depot Theater. I'm not sure what's going on there. They had some big machines in there tearing stuff up. I actually remember back in the 1970s they had a dolphin show. Up on the right, the Superman Tower of Power shoots you straight up in the air, then you come down, then you go up, and you go down. I've never ridden that ride, but they tell me it has its ups and downs. Over on the left, Ghost Town Saloon, you see the guy on the porch waving at you. That's actually one of our maintenance guys. He sat down there when the Cowboys won the Super Bowl last time, so he's going to sit there until they win again. Over on your left and right, above you and below you, the Runaway Mine Train, built in 1966. It was the first tubular steel roller coaster. First roller coaster to go underwater, first mine train. Fixing to pass overhead on the blue track is Mr. Freeze. It's fast and it's loud, but Mr. Freeze is shut down for maintenance. We're actually doing foundation work on some of the piers. You'll see the big holes on the right side of the train as we go by. High up on the left on the yellow track is Batman the Ride, where the tracks are above your head and your feet dangle out in midair as you go through the course. So make sure your shoes are tied before you get on that ride or you'll lose them. Over on the right, the Gunslinger. Swings take you round and round at 10 miles an hour, one of the most popular rides in the park. And we're pulling into the Boomtown Depot. You're welcome to stay on board for a trip back to the Johnson Creek Station. Or you can exit here. Either way, remain seated till we come to a stop. We get a short whistle from the engineer. It means the brakes are set and it's safe to get up and get off. A little further.
Again.
Wait for the whistle.
Please.
All right, please exit to the back of the